Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So I decided to go back to Walgreens again because there is some really good deals for register rewards, you guys. Lots of great deals. I most likely will be doing a third haul for you guys. I am thinking of going to Walgreens on Thursday and doing a couple of deals. There's some great deals that I want to share with you guys on that. It's not a lot of great things, but there's some toys that I've been eyeing up, and there was a couple other things. So you guys will definitely have to see my haul on Thursday. But I am pretty excited to share with you guys what I got. Now, I did get a lot of repeaters because you could not pass that up. I only had 5 P&Gs. I went to my local store and I bought 5 newspapers, and I paid... I get one newspaper sent to my house, so I bought 4 newspapers. So I had 5 newspapers altogether. But this week, you guys, is an awesome week for P&G. Like, sometimes P&G is, like, not the greatest, and sometimes it's on fire. And I think this month it's on fire. I think because the deals are not... I think this time a lot of people aren't really couponing. Most people are, Christmas shopping and stuff, but I still like to coupon no matter what time of the year it is. I like to coupon. So I'm just going to share with you guys some deals that I got. But the nice bags are on sale. Now, these are going on sale. I have way too many of these bags, but I still like to buy them to share with you guys. And then sometimes when I don't buy them, I forget to mention it to you. Like, I have to physically have the product to share with you guys these deals. I might be working a different way to do deals for you guys in the future, but right now this is what works for me, and a lot of you guys enjoy it. But these are the nice bags. Now, you can buy the garbage bags, or you guys can buy the Ziploc baggies. I'm probably going to give a lot of these away to my family this year because I have a ton of it, and, why not? Why not give them some stuff? Some people like this kind of stuff for gifts. It might be simple, but hey, my mom is very frugal when it comes to this stuff, so, like, I'll give her these because she's the type of person, like, back in the day where she'd rewash some of these because she doesn't want to waste them. I don't care, so I'm going to give her a bunch of bags. But shut up, Jennifer. Let's just talk. So these are $2.79. They're buy one, get 2 free. So you guys would just get these for $2.79, or they come out to be just 93 cents a piece. They do this deal all the time, so if you guys miss out on it, they'll definitely do it again. But yeah, so I ended up getting the sandwich bags, which there's 50 of them in here. I got the storage bags, there's 20, and then I got the storage other ones. Now, my drawer that I have is a complete mess. What I should end up doing is opening all these up and then just organizing my drawer. I think I'm going to do that sometime, is just organize it, because stuff is just all over the place. So, bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. My boxes are, like, overflowing. I got to empty them again. Now, a lot of you guys had those $1 off printable coupons from coupons.com for Colgate, which is awesome. I was only able to print 4, 2 from one browser, 2 from another, with 2 different phone numbers. But we do have the 50 cent off coupons. Now, there's a great freebie that is available at CVS, so I didn't use all my 50 cent off coupons that I had because I want to use them for my CVS haul that I do on Thursday. But they do have the deal also for toothbrushes, so this is a pretty good deal for the toothbrushes. So these were $2.99. You guys want to use 2 50 cent off coupons for this, okay? So you guys would pay $4.98 for these. But then you guys will get a $4 register reward. Now, you guys can do this deal, the Crest deal, the Herbal Essence deal, or slash the Head and Shoulders deal. The Herbal Essence and the Head and Shoulders deal is the same deal. So if you guys want to do that, you have to do that separate transactions. But the Colgate, the Crest, or either or, you guys can do it all in one transaction, and 3 register rewards will print off. A lot of you guys get confused with that, but I try to tell you guys you can do as many of the register reward deals as you want. As long as they're separate register rewards, you guys can do them in all in one transaction. Majority of all these you can pay with points for this deal that I'm sharing with you guys. But do not use the same register reward. If you guys did like 2 transactions, do not use the same register reward to make your total pocket lower. They will not print. And a lot of you guys are saying that your stores, they're not printing. Now, if they're not printing, most likely the machine is down. You can see if your store can give you points, or you guys can submit your receipt to the Catalina company. You can either call them or you can do it online. I do have a video that shows you guys how to do it online, and they will mail you your register reward. Super easy. I had a problem with mine and they ended up fixing it, but you guys will get it in the mail in like a couple weeks, but it does last like 2 weeks. So like, just saying. But again, you guys would pay $4.98. You get that $5 register reward, making these absolutely free. So I did this. I did 4 transactions, you guys, because I really wanted to do the Pantene and the Head & Shoulders deal. I looked at next week's sales for Walgreens and there's nothing really going, and those coupons expire end of next week anyway. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to take advantage of it and use these coupons up. My family loves the Head & Shoulders. All the guys in my family use Head & Shoulders, so I like to stock up on that stuff because I can give it to them for Christmas. Good gift there, Jennifer. Good gift. But yeah, so I did the Colgate toothpaste deal in 2 different transactions. The other one's in the bottom. But yeah, so definitely go ahead and do that, you guys. So doing that. And I'm going to use a lot of my register rewards for my Christmas Black Friday shopping. So I did the Head & Shoulders. Now it's either the Head & Shoulders or the Herbal Essence. You guys can do either one. You guys can do this in many transactions as you want. I only had 4 coupons. Each of those coupons are limited to, so I ended up doing 4 transactions. I did 2 of the Herbal Essence and 2 of the Head & Shoulders. I wasn't breaking any rules, but these were $5.99. Now my stores, and both stores I shopped at this past week, do not have the tags up for a register reward, so sometimes you just got to take a chance on it. But if the ad shows it, most likely it'll print. But these are $5.99. You guys want to use $5 off of 2 coupons that we got in this week's P&G. You guys would end up paying $6.98 for this, but then you guys will get a $5 register reward. So these come out to be just $1.98 or 99 cents a piece. Now, I usually say $1 is the best for shampoo, like the cheap stuff, but this stuff is more expensive and very rare I can ever really get. I mean, it does happen, but most of the time I don't get these for under $1. So when I can get Head & Shoulders for $1, I love to stock up on it because Graham uses it and everybody in my family uses it. So excited that I did this deal. And like I said, I did 4 transactions. I did Head & Shoulders and Colgate, Head & Shoulders and Colgate, like Herbal Essence and Herbal Essence. So that's what I did for that. So I got more Herbal Essence and more Head & Shoulders. And voila. Okay, and then the last and final deal I got was just some little soap. I've been seeing on the news like crazy that there is a dish soap shortage. I don't know how that's possible. Like, I guess maybe it's some of the chemicals that are inside it. I don't know. But my Walmart, when I went there the other day, they were kind of low, but there was no sign. I've seen some Walmarts that people have been posting that their Walmart says that they're low on soap. So if you guys need to get dish soap, I guess Walgreens is a good place to go because it's fully stocked. But I just wanted to just quickly share with you guys on this. So these are on sale for 99 cents. Now there is a coupon. My phone's going off. There is a coupon for 50 cents off at Dawn. That is not the coupon to use. That is for a larger size. I think the one that's for that one is for 10 ounces or more, I think, from what I vaguely remember. And this is only 7 ounces. So, but I think for 99 cents, little hand soaps are good. Now, if you guys are looking at doing gift bags for Christmas, I used to do this all the time, but my family doesn't really like that stuff anymore. But I used to do little gift baskets of personal care products. I would give everybody, you know, dish soap and shampoo, razors, all that stuff, but I don't know why my family just doesn't want it, I guess. I don't know, or I just don't go that crazy like I used to. But this would be a good item to gift, you know, to somebody, or a good housewarming gift if you guys want to go ahead and do that. But yeah, that was my total. And one thing I do want to mention is definitely do that Netflix deal again. I'm going to do those deals more often because that is a great deal. You guys can buy 2 Netflix gift cards for $15 each, so you spend $30 and you guys will get a $10 Walgreens gift card. There's also Hulu, which the minimum price is $25, so you guys can basically buy 2 $25 gift cards, or you can mix and match. You can buy 2 $25 Hulu gift cards. You pay $50, but then you get a $10 Walgreens gift card. So I'm gonna do more of those more often. I don't know why I never did that, because it's cheaper, and you guys can actually use that right towards your account. Like when I got done with my videos on Sunday with my Netflix, I put it right on my thing, so now I actually have a $30 credit, so it's not going to charge my credit card, plus I made a $10 profit. So definitely think about that. When you guys do those gift cards, you guys cannot pay with points, and you cannot, I don't think you can pay with register rewards. Yeah, it doesn't say you can't use it with register rewards, so you just pretty much have to pay it for that way. But I still think that's a pretty good deal. So as I see them more often, I'm gonna definitely go ahead and do that. I'm gonna take advantage of that because I'm saving money. I'm saving money. So right now, I'm gonna use those $10 gift cards to get stuff that I need. Like I need formula for Miss Charlotte because she does 50/50, so I need formula. And it's cheaper doing it that way. So definitely go ahead and do that. But my total came to $31.81. Since I did 4 transactions, I actually got $30 worth of register rewards because of the Head and Shoulders, Herbal Essence, and then the Colgate deal. Now the Crest deal is still an awesome deal. I just don't have enough coupons for that. And I wouldn't go super crazy with that with those Crest coupons, you guys, because next week they are $3.99. You guys will get, you can use 2 of those $2 off coupons and you'll get a $5 register reward. So this week you guys get a $4 register reward. Next week you get a $5 register reward. So it still comes out to be a great deal. So if you guys don't want to use all your coupons up, or if you have a ton of those, definitely save them for next week. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, I got $30 of register rewards. I got 5,000 points because I did hit beauty, because the shampoo counts towards beauty. So my grand total came to a $3.19 moneymaker. I was pretty excited. I got everything for free, but I will definitely be using a lot of these when I go share with you guys my Thanksgiving haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know. There's also going to be another beauty event. I think it's December 5th, 6th, and 7th. Don't hold me out on that, but I think there's going to be another beauty event coming up, you guys. So, bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. Again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all on Thursday for another haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.